What's going on? This is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Services, and I want to thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel on today. But while you're checking this video out, and before you get to that, go ahead, hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can stay up to date on all my upcoming YouTube videos, and hit the bell. So you're able to come over and design your own chocolate. They have the machines here that you can walk up to and kind of select what you want to make. You can select the type of chocolate you want: milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate. You can add your toppings that you like. You can add other toppings. So there's different toppings that you can add. You can even add spices. Or you can make purchases of chocolates that they already have. You can get a flat box, collection box, truffle collection, volatile box. For all the chocolate lovers. And look at all the different, what are these called again?
Macarons.
Macaron flavors that they have.
We'll have rice cakes.
These items are not complimentary. You do have to purchase these in addition to your cruise fare that you've paid. You do have to purchase these items and chocolates. Check out the displays of the cruise ship and the three different chocolates: the milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and white chocolate. And they have a ton of treats and candies. Wow, check out this chocolate dragon. The chocolate shoe display. And you guys probably know who that is, don't you?
De contactar la oficina de información en la planta 5 o de llamar el número 99. Gracias.